You will love this Y2012 Honda Civic LX5A, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an exceptional 39 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, suspension, front shock type, gas shock ABS orbers, suspension, front arm type, lower control arms, suspension, front spring type, coil springs, suspension, rear coil springs, suspension, rear gas shock ABS orbers, suspension, stabilizer bars, front and rear, power windows, front wipers, intermittent, one-touch windows, 1, daytime running lights, seats, front seat type, bucket, front suspension type, McPherson struts, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2012 Honda Civic. See us at Edison Nissan today.